New study about face masks catching our attention today. Researchers at Florida Atlantic University creating this animation showing the effectiveness of different types of mask. They used a mannequin to simulate coughing or sneezing and a laser to detect how far the droplets travel, 8 feet with no mask. They tested several kinds of masks, a single layer bandana, the droplets went 3.5 feet, an over-the-counter cone-shaped mask about 8 inches, and the homemade 2-layer quilting cotton mask, the best one so far, only 2.5 inches. And the way